This is a standard 3x3 square Rubik's Cube. It has 5 colours. My parents got this for me when I lost my vision, but I can't use it because I can't see the colours. So yeah, and this is a tactile Rubik's Cube for the blind and vision impaired. So I've had this about 3 months now. It has shapes on it so I can tell what side is what, and I haven't messed it up yet, so I'm going to do that today. I will do another video when it is all mixed up, and then I will try and fix it, and when I'm finished I will upload another video. Okay, see ya.